In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a high beam bulb on your Dodge Ram 2500. This is going to be located in the front of the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to reach down behind our headlight. This is going to be the inboard bulb. We're going to pull the cover off of our assembly. With the cover off, you can see our bulb. We're going to twist this in the counterclockwise direction to unsnap it, and then we'll pull the bulb straight out. Remove the bulb. We have one connector that's on the back. We have to lift up on that black tab, pull the bulb straight up, and remove it from the connector. Grab your connector and install it onto the bulb. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. We're going to install our bulb into the assembly and then twist it in the clockwise direction to lock it down. Those three tabs have to locate before you're able to twist it into place. When you're pushing the bulb straight in, you'll feel it drop into place once they're lined up. Lock the bulb into place and install the cover. You'll feel that rubber piece click on, and you shouldn't be able to pull it off. Grab the two tabs, give it a pull, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.